So, I want to show you something that will kind of help you understand the value of this too. So, what does this mean for like reports and understanding how much and when you can really look at everything? So, what I've done is I've added some time. So, I had Robinson Studios daily work. I worked on that during this week for 5 hours and 44 minutes. I also did some communication and administration under my Robinson Studios as the client. So I went through the projects. Um, I added Robinson Studios. Remember, you can also go to clients, add a new client, like Hanania. I can add that. And I can add a project, create new project. It's going to be filming, and it's going to be for Hananiga. I'm going to create that. So I could have done something like that. But what I want you to see here then is, what does this mean for me? Like, I'm tracking this, but where can I see all of this? So if I go to reports, I can go to summary. And I can change different things. So I'm going to look at my projects and I want to see, what did I do this week for this particular client? And I did, for Robinson Studios, I did communication and I did daily work. And then go ahead and apply that. Once I have that applied, I can see, wow, for today or for this week, I actually did 7 hours and 45 minutes for Robinson Studios. And the cool thing is, when you hover over it, I can see that it's billable, and it cost them $87.61. I can also see here the duration. I did 2 hours under communication administration, and I did 5 hours and 44 minutes for daily work. And there's the breakdown too. So I can understand how much time I spent and the general idea of what the breakdown would be. And this is what you would apply to your final invoice. And you can use this to help you determine how long things usually take for your estimating work. So I just wanted to show you kind of how that applies overall. And because you're going to be under a team, right now I only have me and Mr. Robinson, but when you start adding to the team, I can see, let's see how much work Mr. Robinson has done. Whoop. Let's see what he's done this week. I think he's done nothing. He's done nothing. He's fired. But when your team name comes up, I'll be able to apply and see what you've been doing, and I can see how your client work is doing. You can also click up here and I can see what's being applied just to a specific client, specific projects, which is probably where you're going to be using it the most. So like for Hananiga filming, if I apply that, I set them up, but we haven't done anything for them yet. Okay. So that's how you can see where your money is going, where your client's time is going, and get a better idea of how you use it. And this Clockify